In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to recover WhatsApp two-step verification PIN without email. Start by launching the WhatsApp app on your iOS or Android device. And on the welcome screen, tap on Agree and Continue. Enter your phone number and tap down at the right corner. Inside the app, go to Settings, Account, Two-Step Verification, and tap on Forget PIN. Since you didn't provide an email, you'll need to wait for at least 7 days to reset the PIN. After the 7-day waiting period, open WhatsApp again and enter your number and tap Done. In the two-step verification screen, tap on Forgot PIN and then Reset. You'll be prompted to restore your chat history. Tap Restore Chat History if you wish to restore it. If you don't want it, just skip. And proceed to configure WhatsApp by allowing access to contacts, setting a profile picture, and adding a name as usual. And that's it, guys. If you wish to enable two-step verification again in the future, follow the steps outlined on how to set up two-step verification PIN on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.